everyone, this is Hannah from KSCRAFT. So today I'm going to do a tutorial video for this pop-up card. So this is the die set and this is the project that I showed in the release video. So when it opens up, it looks like this. So it's like a heart. I think it's like a heart. And I think this is very fun. So let me show you how to make it. So before using this die, you need to cut a cardstock by yourself. So the cardstock size is this. So this is in centimeter and this is in inch. And I have cut this one out. And this is the piece that I use the cutting die to make. Because if we make this piece into a cutting die, then this set will be double price. And you know, it's very simple for us, very easy for us to cut a cardstock by ourselves. So we didn't make this part of cutting die, just to save you some money. And the cardstock I use is from the Doodle box the night before Christmas, I think. So let's start. First, fold it in half. And here you can see all these folding lines. So just fold it along these lines. So make it like this, so it has a corner here. And also do the same to this part. Here you can see this folding line. Just fold it inside, and here is the folding line, so fold it like this, and here and make it like this. And this is our pocket part. So for this part you can you can just fold it as this one shows, because here is a folding line here. You can fold it like so, and then make a pocket like this way, and then you can put your things inside. And if your gift card is larger than this pocket part, then you can just trim off this part a little bit to make it in the size of the things that you want to put inside this pocket, and then fold it you know, like if the gift card is in this size, then you just need to trim off this part a little bit and trim off this part a little bit, and then fold it like this. So it's not hard to make, but you can make the pocket as long as you want, just to fit the things you put inside. So this time we just make it like this way. So it will look like this. So you just need to stick these two parts together. Make sure they line up well. And when you put your glue, just don't glue in this part, because this part will show in the front side of your card. And stick these two parts over here. So it opens like this. And then you can put an Velcro here. So this pop-up card is ready, and you just need to decorate your inside and your outside of your card. So I will just add this Christmas truck here. So I just finished decorating the inside. I add some ephemera stickers inside and make them pop up like so. And yeah, I add these cute doors inside and have the May your days be merry and bright. So, when you open this card, it will look like this. Super cute, right? So hope you find this tutorial video helpful. And if you have any questions, please let me know. And thank you for watching. I'll catch you in my next craft video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.